Good morning, YouTube. It is Black Friday, and we are having some awesome sales to hook you up.
So are you recording all of the nefarious activities?
If you're new to the channel, my name is Dan, and this is my garage, and this channel is all about the supercar ownership experience. And if you've been watching for a while, you know that, well, we don't actually make very much money on YouTube. We make most of our money by two things. One, selling car parts, and two, actually selling cars. So obviously, all of these cars are for sale in our dealership. But right now we have a sale going on our parts website. So we've got Klein exhausts on sale 20% off. We've never done 20% off. The only reason we can do that is Klein is authorizing a special sale where they actually decreased our costs. So we can hook you guys up with 20% off on Klein. So go check out our website, or you can get a custom quote by emailing us sales@normalguysupercar.com. But here's what's really cool. I have a Klein exhaust here, and we're going to open up this box and show you because, well, we bought it for a Ferrari 488, and, well, then we sold our 488 before this came in. So if one of you needs a 488 exhaust, we have this and the cat deletes actually here on the shelf. And best of all, they have Klein's new heat wrap. So they created a new Inconel heat wrap option. It is better than ceramic coating, it is better than heat blankets, and I'll show you why in just a second. Momo, what you doing? You smelling some stuff? It's like I gotta inspect everything. This garage just got redone. Yeah, by the way, I hope you like the new garage setup. Yeah, we got mostly done. We're taking pictures of the 5x9 today because it's gonna be listed on Bring a Trailer pretty soon. So yeah, we had to get it all cleaned up and clean the undercarriage and blah blah blah. Anyway, where'd you go, Mo? Oh yeah, we've got a Klein Inconel exhaust. So this is the good stuff, super light, really durable, far more durable than stainless steel. It doesn't get any of the heat issues that you do in titanium. It doesn't get brittle, and as you can see, it's actually got Inconel heat shielding wrapped around the mufflers. This is awesome stuff. So this is going to dissipate a lot of the heat, prevent it from leaching out into the engine bay of the car. Of course, you know, this is a Valvetronic exhaust, so yeah, this thing is badass. This is what can turn your 488 from sounding kind of deep and baritone into that high-pitched Ferrari scream. That plus those. There we go with the cat delete. Look at the heat wrapping on this thing. That is insane. This is really awesome. So this kicks the shit out of ceramic coating. It's basically as good as a heat blanket, if not even a little bit better, because it's all Inconel. So that is some pretty expensive stuff right there. This pipe right here is amazing. So obviously it mates up with these guys, and then you combine those and you have a glorious sounding Ferrari 488 that's going to scream. So if you're looking to go get hooked up, check out our website, normalguysupercar.com. The discounts are automatically applied when you're checking out for Klein and Swiss Trax. So yes, the Swiss Trax flooring is also on sale for 20% off. This stuff you might want to ask us for a custom quote just because it's easier to work with you to try and figure out exactly what you need. But if you know exactly what you need, you can actually just order it straight on the website. And then we actually also have 10% off Capristo. Now I know you guys are used to the NGS 10, but we actually got rid of it because, well, unfortunately, we had a couple months where we actually lost money on the website. So we decided we no longer could support the 10% off because of the economic conditions, and the margins that we had kept shrinking. So sadly, that's gone. So if you need to get hooked up outside of this sale, which by the way runs from Black Friday through Cyber Monday, so if you otherwise need to get hooked up, send us an email, sales@normalguysupercar.com. But that's going to do it. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to be doing lots of cool car stuff, so you're going to want to stay tuned. It's gonna be sweet. Whoa, hold on, we're almost over. One last thing, S-Line also wants in on the action. They're also offering 20% off. So go to our website, normalguysupercar.com, and add any S-Line Klein or Capristo or Swiss Trax products to your cart, and it'll automatically have the discount when you check out. Thanks a lot, guys. Hope you had a wonderful holiday if you're in the U.S. and celebrate Thanksgiving. Otherwise, hope you're just having a good day. We'll see you guys soon.